Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Ro once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna have our math lesson. But before we begin, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel. And hit the like button and share this video to your loved one. And of course, if you wanted to be the first one who will get notified if I have posted a new video, please don't forget to click on the notification bell down below. Alright, so let's start.
In this video, you will revise patterns. So, as you can see, when we say patterns, they are repeated designs, right? So you may use like shapes, colors, numbers, or any designs that you want to repeat over and over again. Now, for example, look at this picture, all right? Now tell me like what pattern you see. So, we can say the color or we can say the shape. For example, let's start with the color. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. Great. Purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. All right. Now, how about the shape? So we can say that begins with a triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. And then this one, how about the shape? Hexagon, pentagon, hexagon, pentagon, hexagon, and pentagon. Very good. So now, let's give it a try. How about numbers? We can also use numbers to create patterns, okay? So for example, I'm gonna go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So did you notice? Right? These numbers repeat, yeah? You can also use letters and you go like A, B, A, B, A, B. Alright, so now, next. Guys, let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna show you some pictures or colors that you have to find out which one is the next color or which one is the next shape. So, if you have any counters that have the same color of gonna be the next one in this pattern, then you can just show it to your mom or dad. Or you can just show a crayon or say the color that is gonna be the next. Alright, so look, I've got here red, green, red, green, red, green. And what's next? Red. Perfect. Next, you can also like answer with me. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Awesome. How about this one? Green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Good job. How about this? Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Wow, you're doing a great job, guys. Now, how about the shapes? Let's find out the next one, all right? Now, look at this pattern. Oval, triangle, oval, triangle, oval, triangle. Perfect. How about this? Square, heart, square, heart, square, heart. Good job. How about this one? Circle, pentagon, circle, pentagon, circle, pentagon. Wow. Next. Triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle, heart. Good job. All right. So guys, let's practice. Alright guys, so you can make your own patterns. You can use your paint, you can use your beads, you can use your paint to create patterns of yours, alright? Alright, so you can also use your candies or anything. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I can't wait to see your pictures and videos. Bye!